In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsend an invite message on Instagram. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application and go directly to your messages. So you want to tap on the messenger icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see right here, I have a message, an invite message sent. Now, if we try and long press or press and hold on our message, there is no way to unsend this message. But in order to unsend this message, what we want to do is to exit out of Instagram and open a web browser. So from here, you want to go to Instagram.com and log into your account. So as you can see, I'm logged into my account. Now go to your messages section and tap on the message. Now you want to tap on your hi message and tap on the three dots beside it. From here, you will see that you can unsend the message. So just tap on unsend and simply unsend the message. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.